Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here with my buddies Alec and Alex, and we are going to be pressure washing this thing and getting it clean and try to bring the paint back out for the first time in probably over 20 years. And I'm pretty excited. You can actually see there's like quite a bit of paint here that is really showing through from like the original, and it looks freaking killer. So I'm excited. We're gonna like clean it out. We're gonna try to open doors because I haven't gotten the doors open yet. They've just been kind of seized. Well, you can see like this side is, you know, missing the handleage. So we'll fix that and get that door open. This side has got the door handle, but it's clearly locked. So, but luckily this door has the linkage on the inside that we can open it up, hopefully. That side of the door is literally missing everything, so yay. But yeah, I want to try to get the doors open so we can get inside, pull those seats out, kind of really get a good look at the floor, because I haven't really like seen all the floor just because those seats been in there, and take a look at everything else, like on the dash, in the back where the back seat would have been. But yeah, stoked. Let's do this. So I think there's a little like lever in here that I think I can push that down. It's either has to go down or it comes up, one of the two. Ooh, I think it has to come down like that. Oh, yes, dude. Sweet. Get a little stickerage. Tire pressure PSI. That's kind of cool. Okay, it's got the production sticker here. So, yeah, built in January of '71. Here's the VIN, JH23. So J, obviously Challenger, price class high, 23, hardtop. G was 318. 1 is for 71. B is the Hamtramck plant in Michigan, and then here's like the sequence number of which it was made. So that's pretty cool. It's all down here. Oh, window parts, rat's nest. That's good. Okay. Yeah, that's gone. Yeah, that's a linkage for like the door handle and such. Yeah, we'll just stick that back in there. I want to get the seat out of here. Oh my gosh, dude. Jeez. Well, the seat's done for. Alex, go ahead and take a seat on that.
It matches your floor.
Sit on that.
I'm good.
You're good.
I'm not up my tetanus shots.
No, that's not what you need to worry about as far as tetanus goes. It's this.
It's those floors.
Yeah, that's nice. Check out the center console here. Okay.
Is there any money?
No money, but there is some screws, some such. So it's missing everything. So back here on the 71s, this is the ashtray. So 1970 is the only year where this would have been like a seatbelt buckle holder, but in 71 to 74 they were all ashtrays. So
Because it was not cool to wear a seatbelt back in the 70s.
pretty much, yeah, you didn't have to. You didn't have to at all. So it wasn't legal, or you didn't legally have to wear one. Well, let me just climb inside here, not get a tetanus cut.
Do you have your doctor on speed dial?
Do what? This door is also frozen, which is cool. Ooh. Yes, no?
If I lift this handle from the outside,
Try it.
help open it.
Try it. No. Okay. Wait, hold on. Oh, I feel like I almost had it.
Stuck on the.
Oh,
There we go.
there we go.
Okay.
All it took was that pound.
Pounding it always gets things up, you know what I mean?
Gets them open, gets them going.
Oh, nice. The floor is just as gone on this side.
Well, this seat's not as bad.
Dude, the
You get
frame
that
on the
Texas
back
dust.
is like completely rotted. Okay. I'm sure. Oh, there's a nice rat's nest inside the glove box there. You can see that. Oh, okay.
That's
Oh, dude. Gross. Hantavirus.
Texas edition.
Dude, Dude, yeah, there is a giant rat nest in here. That's disgusting.
You're gonna pressure wash out the whole interior too, aren't you?
Yeah. Well, that's just gonna stay open because the friggin' hinge is completely rusted. So that's cool. That's fine. Oh my gosh, dude, this rat nest is packed all the way down here.
Probably been living in your heater box.
Okay.
What is
I don't know. It looks like an old sticker. Okay. Oh, dude. That is gross. Ouch. And I just did what I didn't want to do.
Did the unthinkable.
I just cut myself. Great.
How bad, you bleeding?
It's about to.
Nice.
Let me just pound that down there so that don't happen again. Okay. Oh yeah, nice. Nice little cuttage there. That's tetanus waiting to happen. Hey, what is that? Is that a mud dauber nest in the air vent? It is.
Let's hope those are all gone.
Oh yeah, they're gone. But it's nice that the air vents move. That's
Yeah,
cool.
and you have all of your vents too. None of them look broken.
No, none of them are broken. That's cool.
Usually those are all destroyed.
I would have said that the dash looks like it's in great shape, but it's not.
The speaker grill is in actually good shape.
Yeah, it looks okay.
Those are usually all rotted out.
What the?
That's your slapstick shifter there.
Yeah, you know, some people were saying that not all of them are slapstick, but you can see right there, slapstick. All right, shop vac. Oh, that's nice.
It's heavy and crunchy.
Is it?
It's very crunchy.
You know, those would look really good in my hay body.
They would.
Or you got some rat turds in there?
I don't know what's in there.
It's been pre-turded.
Been pre-turded. Want a little dipping sauce? Oh my god, dude.
Another rat's nest?
Dude, yeah. Literally, oh my gosh, dude, it goes all the way back there.
That looks like a piece of sunflower.
Dude, there is so much dirt inside this. Yeah, come on in. I found another rat nest back behind the friggin' C-pillar here.
Oh my god.
Oh, step on that. Step on it.
These are my good shoes.
Oh, gross.
So one thing we do know about the previous owner, they liked soda pop.
Haven't found any doobies yet in here yet, have you?
That's true, we haven't, huh? We're on the hunt for paraphernalia. Unless the rats smoked it all.
Yeah.
What?
But we found a bunch of broken glass in like the door channel here. So at some point, the original glass, I'm assuming, was broken out and they replaced it with this one, which is fine. Yeah, there's just like a bunch of broken glass and there's a bunch of dirt. Like rats made several nests in here. Like, yeah, there was a nest like inside the dash. I'm sure there's still more in there. I haven't even remotely gotten any of that out yet. But there was a nest behind like the rear window area, like the B pillar or C pillar, whatever you want to call it. Well, this actually it's B pillar because
That would be okay.
because there is no
There's
pillar
no
here.
post.
Yeah, so the B pillar. And then there was one on this side. There was one down here in like that window mechanism area. Yeah, like in here. The car's just gross, so gonna clean out the most of it as much as I can. Still haven't even been in the trunk yet. I can like see there's like some daylight coming through, but I have no idea if like the whole floor is rotted out or if it's just like one area, like I said. But well, we can just get like a screwdriver and pop that open real quick. Okay, let's see what's in door number 2. Oh, nice. Oh, that's
You got some
gone.
stainless.
Although surprisingly, The trunk doesn't seem as bad as the rest of the interior.
Got your fuel tank right there. Look at that.
That's cool.
It's mint.
Easy for servicing.
That is the original fuel tank. It still has the little
Rubber.
pad there.
And your transition pan down into the. Is that where you're? Wait, what is?
That's a horrid noise. Look at the paint though.
It looks good under there.
This is super nice, dude. Heck yeah. So that's the nice thing about like deck lids is like if you ever really want to see like the color of a car, pop the trunk open and look at the deck lid, because usually these aren't affected by the sun or like rust or anything, and you can like really see what the original paint looked like. That is a freaking gorgeous color, dude. I'm all about that. That's cool.
All about the green.
Although I've never found a car where this sticker has been there. Like the Coronet is missing it. This is missing it. A few of my friends' cars are missing that.
You're gonna make me go look right now at my car.
Yeah, pop yours open. Let's see.
No,
Yours is gone too.
missing.
How will we know how to jack up the car now?
Yeah, the heck. Hey, you're missing the D.
Cause you'll get it later. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's much more ergonomic. Oh, dude. Good grief, my guy. Oh, what did I get? What did it smash on? Oh, the freaking the marker light little thing. Dude, I cannot keep blood in my body to save my life. Like, oh my gosh, man.
That's a good cut.
That's a good one too.
That's better than the other one.
Yeah, it took quite a bit of skin off.
Get a close up.
Yeah,
That's nice.
yeah, I'd go clean that up if I were you.
Yeah, we can keep vacuuming while you're doing that.
Man.
Whoa, look at this guy. It's just a glob of dirt.
That's a hornet's nest. That's exactly what that
That's a
is.
solid nest too. Like, look at that.
Where's the screwdriver?
Yeah, I can do that.
Hook that.
Jab that thing.
It's not like you're gonna poke any more holes in the car. Already has plenty.
What's one more? Wow, it goes all the way up in there. I hope whatever's in there was dead anyway. Yeah, look at how big those channels are. Those are big. Big bugs live here.
Everything's bigger in Texas.
This is true.
All right, guys, so for some reason my camera just decided to have some like crazy audio issues going on for like these next few clips, so there's basically just no sound for these, but we're gonna start pressure washing the car and get it all cleaned up. And before that, I wanted to tell you that we got out, I swear, it was like 10 to 15 pounds worth of like dirt, debris, rust, seeds and crap like that like rats and stuff like that had packed in there. It was crazy. But anyway, so we're gonna start pressure washing the car. I got the old D germ out. I'm gonna spray the body down because there's like a lot of like moss and mold and stuff on there. So we're gonna spray this everywhere, engine bay, friggin' body panels, everywhere, and then we're just gonna start pressure washing it. And it actually turns out pretty good. With a good cutting and buffing, I think this paint would turn out pretty well, as good as it could be with all the patina that it has. So anyway, enjoy the video. Okay, so camera died. So we just decided I'll just charge my camera, and we went and got some food. Took the Coronet out, and God, that thing is always so much fun. And that was your first time riding?
That was my first time riding in that car. It was a lot of fun.
So he recorded on his phone, and I'll just, you know what, I'll just put that right here. Pretty good, dude. Holy shit.
Dude. Holy shit. This thing puts you in your seat.
Yeah, dude. And it's just stock. Aside from
That's not even with a cam or any heads or any kind of work done to it. It's just a 6.1.
Tires freaking hook and hook.
And they're not really up to temp yet, are they? I'm so glad you got this thing jump started. That's freaking awesome. Right? My car, when I go home now, is going to feel like a Prius.
Yeah. Okay, so now you guys saw that. You see his face?
It was... Make my car feel like a Prius when I go home.
Yeah. So he's got a 360, and this is his 72 Dart, and he's got a 360 in there. And you're like, I just ordered heads because it needs to be faster. And I was like, would you say you're like, either I'm going to keep the heads that I ordered, or after riding in that thing, you're going to get a Gen 3 Hemi? Now what's your thoughts?
Return the heads.
I don't know. My wife might not approve of me spending more money I already spent on it.
Dude, Gen 3 Hemi is the way to go, I'm telling you. But back to this thing. So now that it's kind of dried, you can see it's not bad. It's a little, obviously, you know, it's sun faded. You know, it needs to be buffed and waxed and whatnot to get that color to really pop more, but it looks really good clean. It's not bad. What is this thing? Hey, you better get back here. What is that? But anyway, but yeah, this thing turned out really good. Cleaned up the grill, got all that gross moss and mold off there. Yeah, this thing is cool. Kind of sucks I'm missing the other headlight bezel, and those things are freaking expensive too. They're like $200 to $300 a piece. It's absolutely insane. But yeah, as far as like the paint goes, came out pretty good. You can see like all the dirt and crap that just came out of this thing. Yeah, I'm probably gonna peel all the Bondo off at some point. Maybe I'll do another video on that, but yeah. Now what I want to do, just pressure wash the inside of the car and get everything in here kind of clean too. Clean. But yeah, I'm gonna pressure wash everything in here and make it squeaky clean so I can see what I'm working with. Oh, dude.
Yummy. Oh, gross.
Okay, you ready? Here we go.
You know what I could say? Hello, Mr. George.
Hello, Mr. Gordon. Yeah, the new guy.
Hey, the new guy. That's $20. No, too much money.
Dude, that steering wheel is actually like in really good shape.
You can shine that out real easy.
Oh, for sure.
Is that the original three-spoke?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Looks
Yeah.
good.
That's, of all of the steering wheels that Challengers came with, this is my favorite one, and I'm so glad that the car has that. I'm like stoked.
You want me to open the ashtray?
What?
Want me to open the ashtray?
Oh, sure, yeah. Got to make sure that
Bryce's
gets
mobile
clean.
detail. We're taking detailing to the next level.
Oh, gross.
If there was a rat still in there, it would have come out by now.
Nasty.
Getting splashed
I
back.
just got that like nice rat piss like nest water in my face.
Rat nest. That's
Rat nest piss water. Hey, here, Nick. Yeah, gotta make sure you get that D. Got a mouthful of like rusty, gross water.
Nice.
Oh, ooh, this door is even worse. This door is pretty gross. Where's that bead room? There we go.
There you go.
Thank you, sir.
Spray away. And back.
Yep. Blasted.
I don't think this door has a drain, so like all this water just pooled up in there.
I had to get a different vantage point. You're spraying me
No, sorry.
on the backsplash.
I don't want to get the camera wet.
No, it has a plug.
Yeah. Full of scones.
It has a plug. It's just full of garbage. There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All of that was plugging up the hole.
Yeah, that's like a good example of like how these panels rot out. Dirt will just plug up the drain holes,
And then fill up with water.
fill up with water, and it'll just sit there.
And then the door rots.
That's okay. Thanks to Bryce's mobile detailing services, that is now cured.
No longer an issue.
I think it looks good.
That's not bad. Like I said, it just needs a lot.
Looking
but
for me.
they're looking for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, where's the idiot not driving his Mopar?
Exactly.
He's around here somewhere.
Hanging out with all these other cool Mopars without a Mopar himself.
Also, I'm pretty sure I put like 10 gallons of water into the fuel tank.
Well, hey, if we see any water coming out of the fuel tank, we know it's not a good tank anymore. should replace it.
And I don't think that it is leaking, so I think all the water's just,
It's just coming off the rest of the car.
yeah, it's going
So
right in.
screwdrivers for it's right there.
Yeah,
poke a hole.
start poking holes in it.
Like it's any good anyways.
Oh,
Gonna
dude.
send it anyways. It's a tool holder. So convenient.
Yeah.
Factory.
Why did I buy this?
The screwdriver or the Challenger?
The screwdriver or the Challenger? The Challenger. You want to know why I bought it? Because it's fucking cool.
And you just finished that car, so you need another one.
Yeah. Yeah, that car is...
It's not finished
That
all
thing
the
is
way.
amazing.
It needs heads and cam now.
Oh, that?
Yeah.
I mean, it definitely needs a cam. That thing would...
No car is ever truly finished.
No,
but
it's not, but
that car's
that-
like...
No, you need
So
those.
like I said, I can get in that car right now and just drive to New York.
You need those cylinder heads though for that Gen 3 Hemi
Yeah.
that I found you online.
Yeah, those are cool.
Those Blackhawk ones.
Yeah. Those would be cool. Yeah, heads, cam, ported intake.
Yeah.
Be like, that'd be all that thing ever needed. I mean, it's a missile now, but...
It could be a nuclear missile.
Yeah.
ICBM.
Uh-huh.
Is that a...
Oh, that's part of your...
That's part of your floor.
That's part of the trunk.
It's got the plug still with it attached.
A lot of good that did.
Okay, go ahead. Ouch. Okay, let me straighten the wheel out here. Yep, keep pulling it back. Okay. All right, guys, there it is. The car is finally clean and pressure washed for the first time in probably over 20 years. You know, the paint's actually really not in that bad of shape considering, but yeah, it does need to be buffed and polished so you can get that green out. I kind of just sprayed it wet so you can kind of see what it would look like glossy, but yeah, this thing is killer. Yeah, so it's gonna need a lot back here, you know, this door, but man, does this thing look good. Got the grill all cleaned up too. Well, let's check out the inside real quick. So yeah, big holes everywhere, but dude, the dash is really, really cool looking. So it looks like we got, you know, obviously the speedometer, fuel, temp, alternator, and then that one was blank. So this car wasn't optioned with anything. I would imagine it would have either had like a clock there or oil pressure or something, but yeah. AC car though. And the radio is in there, freshly washed. Pretty cool. Like I said, definitely needs a lot, but I wanted to get this part taken care of. So it is washed, it is clean. And that was the part where we started doing all the metal work to this thing because as you can see, it needs a lot. But anyway, Alec, thank you for coming over.
Every time, man.
Gosh, my brain The almost... A-team.
The A-team.
Pretty much.
So, honest opinion, what do you guys think of the car?
I'm jealous.
I've always loved e-bodies. I'm pretty jealous. This is a pretty good buy for what today's market is like.
Oh,
Right.
absolutely.
I mean,
Yeah.
It's cool.
you got a pretty good solid start, honestly, for what's left out there to find at least.
Right.
But yeah, man, this thing's cool.
Yeah, I'm pretty stoked about it.
I am stoked for you, man.
It is cool.
We better get out of the way.
Oh, better move this turd. What do you think of my new pile?
I I'm loving it. You're gonna go for removable hardtop, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's already halfway there, but no.
What are you gonna do with the top?
Well, the whole roof skin's got to get replaced. Yeah. So it was a vinyl top car, but it's not going back that way. Yeah. So I'm going to new roof skin, fix all the rust and everything else, and then gonna paint the roof the same color as the body.
Awesome.
But yeah,
it's gonna be pretty.
It is gonna be pretty. Awesome. So like I said, I just got to start doing all the metal work and get it in the garage.
Where'd it come from?
Texas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sat in somebody's field for a while.
Exactly where it sat, actually. Yeah, it sat in someone's field. Luckily, it was on a concrete pad, but it didn't help. Dude.
This is what no shocks get you.
Hey, you break it, you buy it, buddy. Jeez.
It's already broken. How much more can I break it?
This is true.
See you guys.
Take care.
Yeah, there's absolutely no shocks in this thing. It's all just
Did
leaf
it come off
spring.
the ground when I did that?
It was close, but
Pretty
no.
darn close.
But anyway, yeah, turned out pretty good for its first pressure wash in over 20 years. I think the paint looks cool. I think it looks super cool, but
You got to keep it the patina.
yeah, for sure.
I like patina.
Yeah, I do too.
I personally like patina.
Yeah, I know. I want to keep it as much patina as possible. I just, like, once the metalwork starts, like, I'm gonna have to judge, like, is it really worth it to keep it patina at this point, or just repaint the whole freaking car? So
I think we need to call in an expert. Kale.
Kale, yeah. All right, Kale, get down here. We've got stuff to do. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Stay tuned, because there is a ton more coming with this car. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe, and dudes, we will see you next time. No, I got this.
Oh, this man's gonna do it all by himself. Whoa. Dude, a whole...
I got it shocked.
This just fell off of the bottom of the car.
What is that?
It's another wasp, hornet's nest or something. It just fell out.
Hold on, the shock moved. Hold on.